So I work for the UK Space Agency. I manage the International Partnership Programme, also known as IPP, and that's the UK Space Agency's A programme. So we use technology and expertise from the UK in our satellite space sector to work with countries around the world to deliver a system or service that develops with the countries and the partners involved to deliver a practical and sustainable impact in that country.
And your involvement with South Africa, could you speak a little bit on that?
Sure.
But particularly the partnership with SAMSA and the NSRI.
Yeah, so through our programme we fund lots of different projects. One of those projects is Oasis, which is a project with SAMSA as the main partner in South Africa, and also the NSRI. And that project is, we work with the company Exact Earth from the UK. And it's one of our, one of our best projects. It's certainly one of the most exciting, and it's got real tangible impacts to actually help reduce search and rescue costs and timings by putting transponders on vessels so that they can be picked up in emergencies and located in the sea so that the search and rescue services can find them much quicker.
And these gadgets that are being used, you've supplied 1,500 to date of these, and the target is the fishermen, the recreational, or is it?
So absolutely, yeah. We're looking at kind of artisanal fishing vessels. So we're putting transponders on very small boats. I think they're kind of below 5 metre boats with fishers. And yeah, those are certainly our target market.
And again, the overall objective of this kind of interventions to achieve what exactly?
So the overall objective of our programme is to deliver a practical and positive impact on the lives of people. In this project in particular, it's to help the fishermen stay safe at sea. So by putting these transponders on their boats, we can reduce search and rescue times and costs, so it helps SAMSA, NSRI and the fishermen. So it's kind of win-win, and it's great to have all those partners working together to make this a very effective and successful project. And
the evaluation, how do you evaluate whether or not actually that is being achieved?
So in terms of our evaluation, we have baseline, midline and endline evaluations. At the baseline stage, so at the start of the project, we looked at the how many rescues were taking place, the cost of those rescues, and then throughout the project we'll see how those rescues change based on having this technology on board. So at the end of the project, will those search and rescue costs reduce because NSRI have been able to go directly to the fishermen in trouble, and therefore those costs have reduced, and that way we'll see if there's been an impact. But really it's seeing, do the fishermen use it and hit that button, and then we can see if it's had an impact or not.
Your purpose of a meeting with the South African Maritime Safety Authority today, what was that about?
Yeah, so today it's actually our first visit to South Africa, so it's first time meeting SAMSA in person. And we're really here to see how SAMSA is using this technology, what SAMSA think of it, what their plans are for the future, how we're going to improve this system of the identifiers and keep it running into the future. Our funding is coming to an end, so it's great to see that SAMSA is so involved in this project and is going to take it forwards.
And part of the assessment is actually meeting the fishermen themselves at Lambert's Bay sometime this week, isn't it?
That's right, yeah, we're going to Lambert's Bay tomorrow to meet the fishermen, and there's a lady from NSRI who runs coffee and muffin mornings, I believe, with the fishermen, so we're going to attend one of those meetings and meet the fishermen, hear their issues with the identifiers and transponders, but also hopefully, you know, hear how they would be interested to use them, and hear NSRI kind of promoting the use of them and how it can save their lives.
Well, good luck with that. Looking right behind you, it looks like we have a terrible weather in Cape Town this week, but I'm sure the fishermen will still be hanging around. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.